I was able to claim free 30,000 USD on this particular website without any single deposit. And if you're able to watch the video to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to claim this 30,000 USD on this particular website and how I was able to withdraw this 30,000 USD directly to my wallet in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Go to Google and search for BitBliss, or click at the first link in the video description. Once you click at the first link in the video description, it will take you to this particular registration page right here. All you just need to do right now is to enter your username right here. Immediately after entering your username right here, scroll down right now and enter your email address. After entering your email address, enter your strong security password right here. Immediately after entering your strong security password right there, scroll down right now and enter this captcha verification code. Immediately after filling your details right here, all you just need to do right now is scroll down right now and click on create account. After accepting their terms and conditions, once you click on create account, watch closely guys, you can see successful account, and you can see that it take me to this particular page section right here. And if you should check my account right here, you see that I actually have total balance of $0 right here, and I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how I'm going to get my 30,000 USD on this particular platform for free without any single deposit on this particular website. And I will advise to watch the video to the end. But before we continue, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. Please, you need to understand that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm simply sharing my personal experience using this earning platform. I'm not encouraging anyone to deposit money or make any financial decisions based on this video. Always do your own research. Step 2. Activation of the promo code. Now here is the major part right here, where we are going to be claiming our free 30,000 USD on this particular platform. And I will advise to watch closely guys, using a free gift code right here. All you just need to do is to scroll down right here. Once you scroll down right here, okay, this is the box where we are going to enter our promo code. Our promo code is promo, okay, 30k USDT, okay, USDT, okay. Okay, once you type this particular promo code, you just need to click on redeem. Okay, watch closely. Let me click on, once I click on redeem, watch closely guys, watch closely guys, and watch closely, and boom guys, I just claimed 30,000 USD on this particular platform using a free gift code on this particular platform. You can see it right, this is activate your gift code. You can see it right there, and I was able to claim this 30,000 USD without any single deposit on this particular platform. Never deposit any money on this particular platform, even during withdrawal process, as I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you'll be able to claim your free 30,000 USD from this particular platform. And I will advise you to watch closely guys. Step 3, the withdrawal process. Now we are going to be withdrawing our 30,000 new user registration bonus from this particular platform. And if you scroll down right here, you'll be able to see that this 30,000 USD is actually real, which you can verify from this particular section right here. You can see it right there. But before we go on to withdraw this 30,000 USD from this particular website, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to actually help me to like this video, as that will actually show that you are actually following me. To withdraw this 30,000 USD, all you just need to do right now is scroll down right here. Once you scroll down, you can see this 30,000 right here. Scroll down right now and trace it right here. Click on this withdraw section. Once you click on this withdraw section, you can see, click on the withdraw. Okay, once you click on the withdraw section, which immediately you land on the withdrawal page, the next thing you need to do right now is scroll down right here and select the network address. Okay, let me select TRC20. Once I select TRC20, I just need to scroll down right now and put my wallet address right here. Once I put my wallet address right here, you can see I put my wallet address right here. After inputting my wallet address, I just need to scroll down right now and put the amount which I want to withdraw, which is 30,000 USDT. Okay, let me put, okay, 30,000 USD. After inputting the 30,000 USD which I want to withdraw from this particular platform, all I just need to do right now is scroll down right now and click on withdraw. Immediately I click on, you can see withdraw successful, and I've been able to withdraw my 30,000 USD from this particular platform. As you go back to the home page right now, you'll be able to see that I've been able to withdraw my 30,000 USD from this particular website without any single deposit. If I should come to my Trust Wallet right now, you'll be able to see the 30,000 USD which actually withdraw from that particular website without any single deposit on that particular website.